Advanced Environmental, where we care about your air.
Here's what you can expect during a duct cleaning appointment with Advanced Environmental Services. 2 trained technicians will come to your home, and depending on the size of your home, the cleaning will take between 2 to 4 hours. A 10-inch vacuum hose will be connected from our truck to the main duct of your HVAC system through the closest door or window. Our technicians will go to every return and supply vent throughout your home and clean it using a combination of our custom brushing system and specialized air tools to ensure that all debris is eliminated. When the cleaning has been completed, we show you before and after photos so that you can see the difference duct cleaning makes. Don't forget to ask about our other services such as cleaning your furnace, HRV, dryer vent, kitchen or bathroom exhausts. We can also disinfect your ductwork and can perform an inspection using our high-tech camera. At Advanced Environmental Services, it is always a job well done. Contact us for a free estimate and to book your appointment today.
Advanced Environmental, where we care about your air.